anybody installing dash cams or radar detectors. A good way to hide your wires is to take it behind the headliner. You want to run it down the 8-pillar, and to do that, what I do is I pull out the weather stripping right here. I stick my fingers behind the top part, and I pull it straight out this direction. Then I'll take out your first little grommet, then to work on the second one, do the same exact thing but closer down to the middle. Already got my 8-pillar taken out, and differently from the top one, the last two fasteners, you actually have to pull the thing straight down and it just pops right out. With these, they're kind of at a U shape and they kind of hook into place, differently from the top, which just pops straight out. And I did have this pre-wired before, but I've heard some rattling recently and I think it's coming from how I have it set up right here. So I'm gonna add some foam maybe and some tape and see if that causes my solution. I just finished re-securing my wire. Before I had it behind the wiring harness, now I have it taped pretty tight so there's no slack. And if I come down here, you should actually notice there's a rubber pad to prevent it from rattling. So I just kept that pretty close to it. And I keep my wire tucked in below the glove box, down beneath the plastic cover. Then it comes behind here, tucks into this plastic cover, goes straight down the tunnel, and into the back. It was a pain in the ass putting it back together, but I finally did it. Now, with the two grommets at the bottom, you want to have it attached to the 8-pillar before you stick this back in.